child is to know that he is loved.
It's not our job to toughen our children up to face a cruel and heartless world. It's our job to raise our children who will make the world a little less cruel and heartless.
The best way to make children good is to make them happy.
The secret of the genius is to preserve the spirit of the child into old age, which means never lose your enthusiasm.
We cannot fashion our children after our desires. We must have them and love them as God has given them to us.
My dear children, I welcome you all to the celebration of Children's Day. This day is dedicated to children to commemorate the work and love put in by our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This marks his 132nd anniversary. Jawaharlal Nehru became our first Prime Minister in 1947 after India was declared an independent nation, and he reigned for 16 years, and he always advocated for children's rights for safety, health and education. He was tutored privately with a tutor in his early years, and he understood the importance of education and the good outcomes it can lead to. He loved his time with children, and children also were very fond of him, and as they referred to him as Chacha Nehru and Chachaji. He had a great vision for India to make it into a world leader, and he knew that was only possible if the young people are nurtured from childhood by giving them the freedom to dream and have the basic amenities and the right to be protected and taken care of. Among the basic rights for children, education and health were of extreme importance, and he ensured to enlighten people with the same philosophy and encouraged parents and teachers to give their children wings to fly and dream the future they want to create, and allow room for mistakes and improvements, as these qualities empower them to innovate and build a better nation. So, let's be the children our nation is proud of and create a better tomorrow for everyone around. I wish you all the best and a happy Children's Day. Thank you.
मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, आज मैं बाल दिवस के अवसर पर आप सबके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। चाचा नेहरू ने देखे थे नव भारत के सपने, सपने पूरे कर सकते थे उनके बच्चे अपने। ऐसी शिक्षा हमें आपसे मिली, यही सौभाग्य हमारा। मरकर भी हो गया अमर जो चाचा नेहरू सबका प्यारा। शालाओं में भी होते हैं नए नए आयोजन, जिन्हें देख आनंदित होते हम बच्चों के तन मन।
Henry Ward once said, "Children are the hands by which we take hold of heaven." Dear children, childhood is a part of life that creates beautiful memories. So, to make this a memorable day, I would like to express my feelings. Creativity is in their mind and love is in their heart. It is amazing to see that the children are so smart. Happiness has no boundaries, nor crying is any type of shame. They don't hold emotions to play any type of revenge game. innovative from inside and so innocent from outside. To judge their true potential, you aren't enough qualified. Love emerges from their smile and spreads in atmosphere. They are always curious to laugh and play here and there. Dreaming is at highest level and imagination is their superpower. That's why you get bored in minutes, but they don't get bored for hours. Ridiculously, they will behave in order to make you irritate. No matter how angry you are, their love will finally dominate. Enthusiasm is in the nerves and energy in their action. That's why in every game they show their reaction. Naughtiness in their nature and playing is their passion. Children look so beautiful without doing any fashion. Body gets old with time, but soul has no age. I am still a child, though my nature is like a sage. Happy Children's Day, dears.
Dear students, Happy Children's Day. Today, on this occasion, I am going to tell you a short story of a man who was spending his vacation in Africa. While moving around in the forest, he happened to see a group of elephants who were moving around with their trainers. All those elephants had a rope tied to their front leg. He was surprised and he asked the trainer, "These elephants can easily break away the rope and move forward, and they can go astray and hurt other people." The trainer smiled and he said they will never do that. "Why?" the man asked. The trainer said, "When they were very young, we had tied this rope to their leg. They grew up with this rope, and now they think that it is not possible to break that rope. They think that still this rope can hold them, can tie them to a place, not realizing that the strength of the rope is negligible to the strength the elephant has." This is the mind of an elephant, of a creature who's very strong, who can do wonders in terms of strength. Children, this is you. You too have the strength to move forward. You too have the strength to go and achieve your dreams. Just because you think you cannot, you hold yourself back. So please keep moving, be persuasive, be slow. It is okay to be slow, but please move, keep moving. This is my word and this is my blessing to you all on this day. Thank you. Happy Children's Day.
रोने की वजह ना थी, ना कोई हंसने का बहाना था। आखिर क्यों हो गए हम इतने बड़े? सबसे अच्छा तो वो बचपन का जमाना था। माँ की कहानी थी, परियों का फसाना था, बारिश में कागज की नाव थी, बचपन का वो हर मौसम सुहाना था। आपके चेहरे की मुस्कुराहट प्यारे बच्चों यही बता रही है क्या जमाना था, क्या वो दिन थे। बचपन के सुहावने दिनों की आज भी याद तुम्हारे दिलों में ताजा होगी। तो ये छोटी छोटी सी आशाएं तो हैं बच्चों, जो आपको आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा देती है और अपना सफर और भी सुखमय हो जाता है। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा। Climb every mountain, ford every stream, follow every rainbow till you find your dreams. इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियां, दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे कुंडी चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए, आधी आधी बांट ले आजा दिल की ज़मीं, थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा, अपना ये आशिया। बच्चों, मुस्कुराहटों को बांटते चलो, सबका साथ देते चलो, दुखों को मिटाते चलो, यही तो जिंदगी का सार है, यही वास्तविक जिंदगी है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। All my best wishes and blessings for you all. कहते हैं हौसलों में अगर जान हो तो सभी कार्य संभव हो जाते हैं, यही आपकी जिंदगी का सार है। हौसलों में जान अभी बाकी है, हौसलों में जान अभी बाकी है, अभी ऊंची उड़ान बाकी है, अभी तो मापी है मुट्ठी भर जमीन आपने, अभी तो सारा आसमां बाकी है। तारे जमीन पर उतरे हुए हैं, चमके सितारे हंसते हुए, तारे जमीन पर उतरे हुए हैं, चमके सितारे हंसते हुए। Rise, rise, rise like rising star, shine, shine, shine like shining star. Rise, rise, rise like rising star, shine, shine, shine like shining star. We wish you happy Children's Day, happy, happy children.